With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, question is: squares, each of side 6 cm, are cut off from the four corners of a sheet of tin measuring 42 cm by 30 cm. The remaining portion of the tin sheet is made into an open box by folding up the flaps. Find the capacity of the box formed. So in the question, a sheet is given that is length 42 cm, width 30 cm, and it is saying we have cut a square from corners of a sheet that is of 6 cm. So this is in the figure, we have cut this 6 cm square. Now if you see next figure, this will be the figure left after cutting all squares from the corner. So now here y is remaining width and x is remaining length of this sheet will be. So here we can write x equals to length of box after cutting, that is equals to 42 minus 6 plus 6, right? That is equals to 30, and y as breadth of box after cutting, that is equals to, so it will be equal to 30 minus 6 plus 6, because these are the cuttings of the corners, so this will be reduced from breadth and length both. So now in the question it says a box is formed by folding up the flaps. So here we have a box formed by folding up flaps, so whose length is 30 and breadth is 18 and height is 6. So flap is of 6 cm, and if we fold it, so height of this box will be the length of the flap. So we clearly see we have cut 6 cm square, so it will be 6. So from that we can find out the volume, that is volume equals to length into breadth into height. So we have length as 30 into breadth as 18 into height as 6. So after calculating we will get 3240 centimeter square will be our answer for this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.